Hello everyone. Today 21 January 2026. This is the second day which was happened a massive fire in Bangladesh Rohingya refugee camp. As you can see here, this morning view, and I asked so many fire affected family what actually they have faced tonight, and they have many of them responded. They have faced warm clothes and they need mat, warm cloth, mosquito net, and which is also non-food item which is very essential for a family to survive. As you can see, this is the situation of unimaginable, and many of children saying they are facing cold because they don't have warm cloth. So please everyone support those victims who are also genocide survivor in 2017 by the persecuted Myanmar government. Thank you very much.